Hey kids, today we're going to draw a super cute duck with lots of pop-it bubbles. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's draw a round shape for the duck's head. Now, let's add a cute little beak so our duck can smile. Time to draw its body. Let's give our duck a big, adorable eye to make it look even cuter. Let's add some fun curvy lines to make the pop-it bubbles pop out. Can you guess how many bubbles we have? Now comes the most fun part. Let's draw lots of little circles all over the duck's body. Pop, pop, pop. It's just like a real pop-it toy. Can you hear the satisfying pops in your imagination? So fun! Yay! We're all done! Now, let's use bright and fun colors. Let's color the duck's beak. I'm using a bright yellow just like a real duck's beak. It looks so cute and shiny, almost like it's ready to quack, quack, quack. Red hot like a chili, spicy duck. Orange sunset vibes, so warm and cozy. Green like a little froggy, ribbit, ribbit. Blue, a duck loves water. Royal purple, our duck is feeling fancy. Bubblegum pink, so sweet and fun. Pop, 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 quack, quack, quack. Oops, red again, double the fun. Back to green, a little grassy touch.